Hi, good evening. Okay, I will be asking you questions. I will see how many of you have the same energy, when I ask questions. Okay, can you see what I have written over there? Yeah. This is the first time I think most of you are seeing me. And I don't know, I have not seen any of you. So instead of introducing myself, I have written this thing. Can you guess why? Can you guess why I have written this? Instead of introducing myself. Think. Anyone wants to stand and answer why I would have written this?
Hello? Voice is not clear, sir.
Fine. See, whenever you enter any place, whether it is an interview room or any like.
Hello, sir. Your voice is echoing, sir.
Or
Hello?
if you go to a new place, new college, new PG, new place, either people can like you or by looking at you, they can be confused or they
Hello?
can
Hello?
dislike. Now,
Hello, you.
few of you might be, by looking me, you would have liked me. Few are still confused, not able to understand what is happening over here. Usually at this time, I used to sleep in my PG. Today, they asked me to join some soft skill classes, and here one guy is standing over there and he speaking on whatever. I don't know. Yeah. And the last one is this land. This is the first time we are seeing each other, and few of you might have instantly disliked me. So the reason
Voice is not clear, sir.
So as I said, when you enter the interview room, the hiring manager can either they can like you or they can be confused or they can dislike you. So if you are in the first category, like category, if you are in this, then 50% of work is done for you because they already liked you. Now the remaining 50%, how you answer the questions. If you answer it well, they may be definitely happy to hire you. Now, if they are confused by looking at you, then you have to work 100. What is that? Where it is, one of you can come and help me because I'm not used to this one. I used to implement offline classes. I used to write all the words. కొంచెం వాయిస్ క్లియర్ yes. Yeah.
Hello, sir. Your voice is not clear, sir. It's echoing.
Okay.
Your voice is not getting, sir.
Okay, so as I said, if they are liking you, 50% of the work is already done. If by looking at you, they are confused, it could be, the reason could be the way you carry yourself, the way you dressed, your hairstyle. I know sometimes candidates don't carry themselves the way they should carry. Okay, so here you have to put 100% effort. You have to make them feel confident on you. So 100% effort from your end, the way you answer the questions. And if you are if they are disliking you, that means you are already minus 100%. So here you have to put 200% extra effort. They may dislike you. The reason can be your face. You might look like someone whom they have hired previously, and that candidate has created huge problem on the floor for managers as well as his or her colleague. If you look like that candidate, then definitely they may not be happy to hire you, even though you are totally a different person. But for them, you are just that person because you look like him or her. So wherever you stand, you have to make sure that you have to convert that into like, whether you are in confused stage or dislike state, you have to convert everything into like. Okay, so we will see more about this when we go through the interview skill session. So now let me introduce myself. My name is Kishore Dhananjay. I am a soft skill as well as communication improvement trainer. I help students with, I also help students with business email writing skills, interview skills, personality development. Yeah, this is about me, and I am from Kerala. Recently, I moved to Hyderabad, and today I am here standing in front of you to take this soft skill class. Okay, so now okay, before COVID, companies, most of the companies, 80% of the companies used to give preference to which all skills. Can you say which are the skills usually company used to look for before COVID? I'm talking about 2000, before 2019. What are the skills they look for? No, means I mean like basically not like any particular course. Like what are the skills they look for? Okay, technical as well as communication skills. These are the two skills they used to look for. Okay, but during COVID-19, many things have changed. Yeah, you may be knowing that now machines like artificial intelligence as well as machine like language, AI as well as ML has taken over many jobs like customer service, as well as in future AI as well as MI will be taking over.
ఏంటి సార్
Sir, your voice is not
Okay.
clear, sir.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, so in future, like finance as well as health sector, that will also be, most of the jobs will be taken by AI as well as MI. And you might have heard about new GPT, all this. Yeah, so now, not only that one, during this time, most of us were sitting at home having fun, okay? Because you don't have to go to colleges as well as you don't have to do any work also. So you are sitting at home, but companies were not
పొగిలిపోద్ది
sitting like that.
క్లాస్ ఏంటన్నా అని చెప్తా
They were constantly looking
ఫోన్ తో
for
ఏంటి నీకు పని
ways, how they can get maximum profit. And how they can get maximum profit means the kind of employees they hire. It's depend on you people. If they hire good candidates, their profit will be more.
ఇది
If they hire average normal type of candidates, then definitely it will
ఫోన్
affect their
ముట్టుకోవద్దు నాన్న క్లాస్ ఉంటున్నాను
profit.
అని.
So they
చాలా
were
సార్లు
thinking on
చెప్పా.
this one,
Anyone
Return
please mute yourself.
on investment. So when they hire you, they are investing on you. Okay, they will pay every month 60 to 70,000. That is their investment. So they want the candidates who are working for them, employees who are working for them, to earn more than that. If they are paying you 70,000, means you should earn them what? Around 1 lakh. So that extra 30,000 is their profit. So they were thinking on this one. So they came up with what kind of employees, what type of employees they should hire.
Jayashree,
Because
please
going
mute
forward,
mics.
if you want to get a job with
Please
this,
mute yourself.
like technical
Everyone
as well
please
as
mute
communication,
yourself.
won't be enough. You need more additional skills. So here also, okay, so now after COVID, companies are definitely looking for technical skills. That will always be there. Communication skills. And next, can you say what are the other skills the companies are looking for nowadays in the candidates? Business? Yeah, business management, but you will be into something production part. So accordingly, what all they are looking for? Analytical. Okay, apart from that, yeah, logical thinking, you can say creative thinking, fine. Next, I will mention that as creative thinking. Yeah, next. Yeah, communication already we have included. Yeah, means that can be extended. If you know how to communicate with your colleague as well as your managers, then that can be extended to any level. Okay, see, they are looking for leadership skill. They are also looking for team management skill, and more importantly, adaptability skill. After COVID, this has become very important. You have to adapt. Tomorrow we will see whether you people are smart enough to adapt to the changing time or not. Okay, and then we have conflict. Okay, conflict management skill is also there. And yeah, problem solving skill.
and decision. Sorry.
Making skill.
Decision making skill. So these are the few very important. Everyone should have, each one of you should have these skills. If you are going with only like technical skill as well as communication skill, they are not going to give you much preference. Why means, as I said, during this COVID-19 last 3 years, companies were doing research, they were doing studies, what all qualities candidates should have so that they can get the maximum return, okay, on their investment. So they found out that having technical skill as well as communication skill is not enough. You should have other skills like creative thinking, leadership skill, team management skills, adaptability skill, conflict management skill, problem solving skill, decision making skill. These are the few. And in the coming days, we are going to see all this. So I will bring in more activities also so that you can get a clear idea of this one. Now, to make you understand this one, I will give you an example how important soft skill is. Okay, can you tell me what is the difference between soft skill and hard skill? What is meant by hard skill? Physical, it's kind of that one, but not necessarily. See, the technical skill which you are, doing, which all course you have preferred, those are called hard skill. Technical skill is hard skill. If you are doing Java course or any AWS, DevOps, any course you are doing, that is hard skill. And the remaining, as we discussed, this creative thinking, leadership skills, management, adaptability, all this comes under soft skill. Okay. Now I will make you to understand this more. Can I add new slides? How to add new slides? Can anyone help me with this? Okay. Fine. Wait. Okay, I'm giving an example. Look at this one. You will, from this example, you will come to know how important is okay. Take this as company A and one more. Okay, this is company B. Okay, company A and B. Suppose company A is giving only importance to hard skill. That means technical skill. And company B is giving importance to hard skill. That is 50% for hard skill as well as 50% for soft skill. Here, they are giving only importance, 100% importance to hard skill only. Now here, what will happen means with this company A, in the first 5 years, can you help me? Where is the sketch so that I can just draw? Where I can find, because I'm not used to this one, I'm sorry. No, I don't, I want to draw. Can you help me once? I'm sorry, because I usually work with both. So, and for soft skill classes, not like technical class. Okay, for company A, look at this one. In the first 5 years, the graph will go like this. Okay. After 5 years, it will decline. And sometimes the company might shut down also. Can you give me the reason why? Why it is so that in the first 5 years, for company A, the graph goes so high, and after that, it just goes down and the company might shut down also. Reason? Okay, fine. So that is the reason, because here in company A, they were giving importance only to technical skill. So what happens means here people don't know how to communicate with each other. Plus, they don't have problem solving skills as well as decision making skill, all this. Initially, when we join a new company, we all want to prove our talent, how good we are. So whatever problems we face, initially we ignore, but gradually things goes on, it goes on build, things will get built up, and one day things will burst. So here in company A, what will happen means, when 4 or 5 years, people will get very frustrated with working over there. They will say that this place is not good. They will start fighting with each other. They will start to quit the job. And here, if any newcomers joins company A, they won't stay there for a long time, because no one helped them over there. No one help others also. They try to pull down everyone. Okay, they won't let anyone to grow. So that's why this company won't survive for too long. On the other hand, with this company B, here what will happen means, here initially the graph will be low, but after 5 years it will grow like this. So in company B, what you think? What is the difference? What is actually happening over here? Okay, fine. So that is the reason. Listen, see, in company B, what happens means, because those people, as I mentioned, 50% they have technical skill and 50% hard skill. So here, initially, they may not be able to perform, but as they have very good communication skill, team management skills, problem solving skill, decision making skills, so they will work as a team. So when they work as a team, people can what? Contribute more. So here, the graph will go in the higher rate. Here, there the working environment will be very good one. People won't leave the company because each one helps. If you have any problem, the other will be helping you. And if newcomers are coming, new joinees are joining the company, they will also be happy to stay there for a long time. So from this example, you might have got how important it is to have good skills, especially like communication skill, problem solving skill, conflict management skill, adaptability skill, all this. Okay. So that's the one thing. And as we have seen today many skills, communication we will discuss first. Okay. So now, can you say what is communication? We'll discuss skill later. What is communication? What you understand? The process of sharing and receiving of information. Now skill. What do you mean by skill? What do you understand by skill? Skill means the ability to do something well. So communication means just if I speak fluent English without grammatical error doesn't mean I have skill. That is just I'm communicating. Whatever I am saying, you are able to understand, and what you are saying, I am able to understand. Skill means something extra. For example, I should know how to speak to my managers, how to speak with my colleague, and how to speak with someone who is lower in rank to me. Okay. For example, if I am working on a project, so my colleague, he is asking me, you finish the project by today evening. So I can I can reply to him like this. No, bro, it's not possible for me. I have a lot of work. I can finish the project by tomorrow afternoon. That's what I can say to him. On the other hand, if my manager is asking me, Kishore, please complete the project by today evening. At that time, I can't talk to him the same way. See, here I have to use my skill, not only communication. I have to use my skill. Here I can say what? Sir, I wish I could finish the work today, but unfortunately I have a lot of things to do. So I would be able to finish the work by tomorrow afternoon. And I will make sure that I will finish by that time. This is what we call skill. Okay, communication skill. Communication is different and skill is totally different. Okay, and one more thing, I need 3 volunteers. What is your name? Iqbal, can you stand up, Iqbal, for 2 minutes? Yeah. What is your name? Abhinay. Yeah, stand up. And please, what is your name? Shubham. Okay. Iqbal is the manager. Shubham is an employee, and Vinay, right? Yeah, Vinay is Anubhav. Abhinay. Okay. So Abhinay is also an employee. Both of them were having some issues during lunch. During lunch break, they were having some issues. Okay. So they had some issue, they fought, and they stopped it over there. Now, you all are employees, colleagues, their colleagues. So we are on the floor, we are doing our work. Suddenly, Abhinay got irritated, he stood and he started shouting at Vinay. Okay. So now, Iqbal is the
Siluveru
manager.
Naveen,
So
Siluveru
as he
Naveen,
is
please
shouting at
mute your
him,
mic.
Vinay, sorry. Vinay has 3 options. What are the options? Can you say? He has 3 options. What all things he can do? How he can react? That's what I want you to answer. How he can react? If he wants, he can also shout back at him. The same way, how he is communicating, he too can communicate the same way. That is one way. Second way is he can keep quiet without saying anything. And the third way to communicate is he can say, bro, we had some issue. We will resolve it after the working hour. So please, now don't make a mess of this one. By saying that, he sits over there. So which one you think, which communication you think is the best one? Third one. See, being a manager, when he is looking at them, he will that time itself decide that to keep Abhinay at far distance. He won't be happy to promote it from there onwards. In fact, he won't like to talk to him because tomorrow Abhinay can do the same with Iqbal also, because he has worked hard to reach to this position. So if an employee is shouting at him, then it will affect that position over there. And moreover, if Vinay is also shouting at him, then he will lose confidence on him only. From then on, the first thing he will try is how to remove them from the process as well as from the company itself, because he will discuss with other managers also. So everyone will say, get rid of them. That's what they will say. And the second thing is, if he is sitting down also, others will feel him as a weak person because he is not saying anything. The best one is the third one. At that time, manager, what we will feel, he is very matured. So he will consider Vinay for future promotion. So you have to understand what is the difference between communication as well as communication skill. Skill means you should know where to speak, which word to use, how to form the sentences. Please sit down. I'm sorry, don't take anything. Okay. So that's what I want you to understand. And knowing to speak fluent English without grammatical error doesn't mean you are good with your communication. If you have skill means you will definitely know what to say, what not to say, which words to say to what, which sentence to say to whom. Okay, so that you all have to work on. Okay, fine. So now we will just have a look at some of the definitions. So communication skill.
See, there are three types of communication skill. One is verbal communication, which includes spoken as well as written. Okay. The other one is non-verbal communication, gesture, body language, expression. And the third one is visual communication. Visual one is not important for you. That's something like image, pictures. If you know by roadside, you can see those symbols like not horn, all these marks will be there. Then danger mark you can see, cross, and one head over that one. Those all, there won't be anything will be written on that, but by looking at those pictures, you can make out what it means something. If you go to a mall, if you want to go to washroom, you can make out there men's picture will be drawn and women's picture will be drawn. By that, looking at that picture, you can make out which one to use. So those are picture one, which is not useful for us, so I'm not discussing. Non-verbal communication, when we'll go through interview skills, that time I will mention, we will discuss about everything, right from hair to toe. What all things we have to, body language, everything, the way we have to look at the interviewer, everything will be discussed. So now verbal communication also, written, when we will go through business email writing, that time I will discuss. So now we are going to see spoken. So, and before that, I want you to look at this 7 C's of, 7 C's of effective communication. If you want your communication to be effective, you should remember this 7 C. Clarity. Whatever you say, it should be clear. Okay. There should not be any confusion. Then correctness. You should only share correct information. Wrong information, if you share, people will suffer. Then conciseness. That means more in few words. You have to say few, but it should mean so many things. When we go through interview skill, that time I will let you know how we will use this conciseness. Then courtesy, politeness. You should be polite with everyone. You can't be rude while speaking. Okay. Then concreteness, being specific, to the point. You don't discuss unwanted thing always. Just to the point. What is important, you just discuss those ones. Consideration, that means before you speak anything, you have to think carefully and then only you have to speak. And last, completeness. Whatever you say, it should be complete. It should not that half you say and the remaining you skip. People will be confused again. So you have to take care of this 7 things. Now I want to know how many of you think that you have a good communication. I'm not talking about skill. Skill means you have to work a lot. As I said, just I have given an example. How many of you think that you have good communication? Not skill, communication. That means fluently you can speak in English as well as, without much grammatical issues. Grammar, leave it. At least whatever you speak, others can understand. How many of you think? Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. That is important thing. Okay. Fine. Second thing. How many of you think in your mother tongue before you speak in English? How many of you think in your mother tongue? Raise your hand. Oh, so many of you are thinking in your mother tongue before you speak in English. I will suggest you to stop that this moment itself. I'm giving you a reason so that you should not have any confusion. Okay. Now, how to get rid of this one? How to get rid of this one? That is not. How to get? How I can erase this one? Yeah, whiteboard. White. Which one? Oh, okay, yeah. Which one? Yeah, that's what. Okay, leave. I will. Any idea what shall I call that? Huh? No, I think in this it would be difficult. Fine. Okay. every language that is spoken on this follows certain order. English follows this order. S stands for subject, B stands for verb, O stands for object. I'm giving you an example. How to? Huh? Okay, yeah, fine. Yeah. Okay. See, Ram plays cricket. Here, Ram is a subject means noun or pronoun. Noun means the name of a person, place or thing. Pronoun means he, she, it. All this will come. They, we. Verb means any word which shows the action, like playing, in which the movement of your hand, body, everything takes place. And the rest of the word, like cricket, is an object. So Ram plays cricket. Now I want you to translate the same in your mother tongue. From that side, I saw many of you have raised your hand. Please tell me how you will translate this. Not exactly, but how you will say the same in your mother tongue. Ram, cricket. Is it clear? Okay. So see, here it is subject, then what? Object and verb. So listen here. You take any Indian language, whether it is Telugu, Kannada, Hindi, Marathi, or any language, Punjabi. If you see, Indian languages follows this order: subject or the object and verb. So if you say this, so if you keep on thinking in your mother tongue, and if you try to translate this one, you will end up saying something like this. If you say this, then people will definitely laugh at you, because in English we don't say Ram cricket plays, we say Ram plays cricket. So that's why I'm saying from this moment you should stop thinking in your mother tongue. Now the question is, sir, we already struggle to speak in English, and this is the only way where, which we can manage to speak in English. That also you are saying that don't think in your mother tongue. So what do you do? So you have to practice to think in English. So I'm bringing a concept called Think English. Speak. So for the next 15 days, we are going to think in English as well as speak in English in this class, as well as going forward, you have to do the same in other classes also. Okay? Think English, speak English. So how to think in English? I'm going to start an activity for you. Okay, now look at this activity, all of you. Let me see how many smart students are there in this class. See, I'm giving you 9 dots. Yes. Okay, now listen. This is to encourage you to think in English. I'm giving you 9 dots. Don't mind that, because I'm doing this one. Okay. Now you have to connect this 9 dots using 4 straight lines. Okay. Using 4 straight lines. No curves, no circle, nothing. And one more restriction is there. Once you touch the point, any point, you can't lift the pen. Without lifting the pen, you have to connect all the 9 points with 4 straight lines. See, if I get an opportunity to lift the pen, then this is 1, 2, as well as 3. I can easily connect with 3 straight lines. But here I am not having the option to lift the pen. So if you are starting like this, once you have started, then you have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So the center one is whatever way you can go. While doing this, think in English, because after that you have to come and explain also. So that's what I am encouraging you. Think in English, means how you will draw. Draw a straight line. Think in English. Okay. Just try that one. Think original. Yes, only discuss in English in this class. Don't speak in any other language. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines are there. Anyhow, good try. Yes. See. That. Got. 3. Write the comments. What they are chatting. What they are saying.
Yeah, I'm not used to this. That is the point. Because I only take, this is the first time I'm taking online class. Sorry. Because I have to move also. I'm not able to move here. Huh? What they mentioned, I'm not visible. Okay, fine. You got anyone? Anyone got? Can you come and explain? Yes. Speak in English only. Okay. So how you can explain it over there? No issue. Yeah. You can go and explain it over there. Don't write anything on that. Yeah. So how you will do? Okay. One line. Okay. Okay. Let him. He's trying. It's a very good try. It's okay. Come on. Yeah. Please, you people are still behaving like, graduate students. You have to come out of that one. That is called adaptability. You are going to get into MNC companies. If you behave like this, when you attend the interview, by looking at you, your body language, they can make out that you have not come out of your college days. So you have to adapt. We'll see that all in coming days. It's okay. It's a good try. You want? Okay. So I'm giving you one more hint. Look at this one. Yeah, sure. Fine. See, now I'm giving you a frame. Look at this one. You can come and explain, please. Huh? See, The idea behind this is, yeah, you can explain there. Okay, fine. Yeah. Yeah. Don't use any other language, only speak in English. Yeah, I think, yeah. He has got. Good. But what is your name? Ishwar. Good. I will explain that one. See, Ishwar, you have to learn to explain this in English also. Okay, this time it's okay, fine. See, this is called out of the box thinking. Usually, what we do means we usually stay within the box. We all are safe inside the box, but there are many problems which need us to go out of the box. And this example, see, here I have given you a frame. Okay, so now what you can do means you can go out of this frame. No, within this frame you can extend the line like this. Start from the first point and cover these 2 points, and then from there just draw another line passing through other 2 points, and then go upwards so that it can cover all the 3 lines, and then once again draw a diagonal. So there's this 4 straight line, and we have covered all the 9 points. So usually most of you would be thinking, like from this one only, you will be sticking to this one like this. That's why you haven't got, except I'm very bad at remembering people's name. Yeah, it's only touching, but I said, you can't lift the pen. That's what I said. You can't lift the pen. You have to. No. See, if you are going with this one also, you will touch right. This is the first line. So if you draw the second line, it's touching right. For 2 points, you have to have a connection. Every point is touched here twice only, right? Wait. See, this point is also touched twice. Okay, once. This one, okay. Second one, third one, okay, fourth. Fine. So that's not an issue. That is touch. No, I haven't said anything, right? You can't touch 2 points. Anyhow, here it's not like touching, it's passing through. Okay, so this is the one. This is what we call out of the box thinking. See, whenever in future you will be joining some companies, okay, where you might face a lot of problem with your projects. At that time, there might be requirement for you to think in a creative way, logical way, or that is called out of the box thinking method. Okay, but it's a very risky one also. Suppose once you have gone out of the box and you have come up with a very creative idea, and everyone was very impressed with you in your office, that they will treat you like a king because you have come up with a very smart out of the box thinking idea. Again and again, if you do the same thing and if you fail once, then you will fall from top to, will go straight to the bottom. After that, people will reject you. The same thing has happened with Google Specs. They put huge investment on that one, but finally that turned out to be a failed project. So you can make out what would be the person who was leading that project, what would have happened to him. He would have been completely sidelined. So the best thing what you can do means once in a while you can go out of the box, come up with some unique ideas to solve your problem, and remaining time stay within the box. That's very safe. Okay, so now we are going to have some activities to, I need 2 volunteers. I think for this online guys, they may not be able to see what we are going to do here. I need 2 volunteers from that side because most of you are talking over there. For the next 15 days, these all will be reduced because you have to learn. Simply, if you behave like those college boys, it won't work. It will affect your progress in your life. You have to come out of that one. Adapt yourself to changing scenario. Yes, I need 2 guys from there. Two of you can come, right? I am going to conduct one activity. 2 or from here, 2 of you. Okay, wait, so how I am going to conduct this activity means we'll make them to sit here. Okay, so one is sitting over there, one will be sitting here. Well, you two can, no, it's not there. I won't put any one of you in trouble. Don't worry. You can sit there. Please sit there. Huh? This we can't, no, I'm displaying here how to share the screen. One of you can sit here. You want to sit? Iqbal, you want to sit? Please. Bring your notebook also. Bring your notebook. Huh? Okay, so okay, fine. Take your notebook also. Yeah, how I am going to see from this activity, you have to understand how important it is to have a good communication. Okay, if your communication is not good, then what all problems you are going to face from this activity we will learn. Okay, so now I will draw some picture over here. Okay, and what's your name? Prasanna has to communicate that to Iqbal. And the thing is, she can use only mathematical terms like circle, square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium, like that. Okay. So that's how she has to communicate. So because we are doing it for the first time, I will keep it simple. Yes, don't make noise. See. Yeah. So this, only using this terms you have to see. She has the freedom to use only circle, triangle, rectangle, as well as square. Yeah. So you have to ask him to draw this one. Don't worry, relax. Because anyone, they were not ready to come also. So yeah, you can ask, but not in detail, only. So you can start by saying that, draw a rectangle. Yeah. Yes. So yeah. Yeah, please. What? Ah. Same picture he has to draw, but you can't say only use this. Yeah, he has to, they have to get it same. It should look similar. It's not perfect. Yeah. So if you want to improve your communication also, you can involve in such activities. It will help you. English only, ma'am. Please, English. Speak in English. Yes, you guys are, creating a lot of noise over there. Listen. Yes, please try to understand the problems which we face usually. Yeah, better. Just yeah, 1 more minute. We have time restriction also. 1 more minute. Yes, please. Just observe this. You have to understand how important it is. Yeah, just give it. See whether you can see from there or not. Yeah, it's okay. Fine. Yeah, see. So there is a little bit difference in both the pictures. So you have to understand how important it is to have good communication. If the communication is not good, then you may not be able to get the required result. Suppose assume that you are the manager and you spoke with the client. The client has informed you about his requirement. But if you fail to explain the same to those who work under you, then you won't be able to produce the same product as per client's requirement. So the client won't be happy to continue the business with you. So that is one thing. Now you have to look at this one. Just look at this picture. Yeah. So here you can see few zones like comfort zone. Now most of you are in comfort zone. In comfort zone, there is no learning. You can't learn anything when you are in comfort zone. After comfort zone comes fear zone. Fear means you will think what other will think if I speak, if I say something, if the error is there. So you have to come out of this two stage, then comes the learning zone. In learning zone, as its name mentions, you will start to learn different new things. And once that happens, growth will take place. So now it's up to you whether you want to remain in comfort zone and not to learn anything, or you want to move to uncomfort zone and start learning things. Okay, keep this in mind. And the next thing is, we will have one more activity. Okay, fine. Now this is called picture description. Okay, so I want all of you to look at this picture. Okay. Yeah, just look at this picture and you have to describe. Okay, so this is just to improve your communication skill. So if you want, you can use statement like this. In the picture, I can see. After that, you can continue. At the top of the picture, I can see. At the top of the picture, at the bottom of the picture, on the right side of the picture, on the left side of the picture, at the center of the picture, there are, or next to, like this. Then you can build on that one. So I'm giving you 5 minutes to look at this one, and after that, one by one, those who are confident enough, they can speak. Actually, these headsets are not letting me to move. I have to move. Yes. Yeah. Anyone want to start first? Who want to start first? Okay. Yes, Iqbal, please. You can stand here and speak because that will build your confidence. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Okay. 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 That's okay. Good. Yeah. Good. Good try. So you know what is the name of this game? Yeah. Tug of war. Fine.
Yeah, so who wants to speak next? Come on, this is the way you improve your communication skill as well as confidence. Who wants to speak next? Anyone from here? Yeah, please. You can stand and speak. Yeah. Yeah, speak little louder. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 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 Okay, good. Yes. Anyone from there? You want to speak? You want to describe? Yeah, you can stand there and describe. Oh. Okay. Oh, fine. Good. Next, who want to speak? Yes. Anyone from that last row want to speak? Come on. This is how you build your confidence. Anyone from that side? Here? Anyone? You want to speak? Yeah, you can. Yes. See, if you are coming here, standing in the front, facing people, if you are speaking, then it will help you to build your confidence. Then just imagine, if you have so much confidence, when you get a job, you can grow over there. If you don't have that confidence, then there also you won't grow. Just imagine that you got a good job. You are working hard day and night. 6 months you work, one fine day, your manager is asking you, you have to make a presentation. Why? Means the other person who usually used to make the presentation is on leave. So tomorrow you have to make the presentation. Do you think you can make the presentation? How many of you can make the presentation? Yeah, one or two. Those who have confidence, who have just stood here and spoke, they can speak. Others all, that opportunity is gone. You could have impressed your manager, your colleagues, everyone. But as you have never came to the front to speak, there also you won't be able to do. In your school days, college days, you have never done that. If you have done that, today you won't be having any hesitation to come here and speak because you have practiced it over there. But you have never gone on the stage. You never took part in any of such activities. That's why you are so scared today to come here and speak in front of others. Iqbal, and what is your name? Sony, they were not having issues. It's very clear that they might have took part in extracurricular activity. So now you have missed that stage. Here you are getting another opportunity. This is the platform. So for next 15 days, if you want, come speak over here, build your confidence. So that when you go to work, there you can think on your growth, not on all these unwanted issues. Whether I have confidence, I can't do this, I can't do that, all this. If you can't come here, then I don't think you can grow in your career also. Because confidence is most important. Okay, now who want to speak next? Anyone? You want to speak? Want to speak? Just stand and speak, no problem. Yeah, please, you can come here. That's how you have to be. You prepare yourself for the next 4 to just. This is the no movie. Just give me a minute. See. Now for freshers, I think there is you are not having many openings. Okay, job openings are not there. For the next 4 to 5 months, you prepare yourself not only on your technical skill, on your communication skill, on all other skills, plus personality development, so that by the end of the year, when companies will start giving you advertisement, for job opening, you just grab that opportunity. So if you don't start now, then at that time you will still struggle only. Yes, please. What's your name? Shasha. Yes, Shasha, please. Yeah, please. Let him speak. Yeah. Okay, good evening, everyone. This is Shasha. I'm going about we are also playing like this very way. I think I have very good friends. You are also having good friends. And they are playing tug of war. And also everybody enjoying. Completely, and these two also, they are enjoying each and every moment because they don't have any pressure, any. And if you have any pressure, you want to do this game, you don't have any extra activities, you just observe this base expression. And also this guy is giving a smile given to the. Yes, please, yeah. Yes. Let him speak. Yeah. This guy also giving and also everybody, she is listening like a real melody. Yes. My majority of companies, majority of people, they are thinking out of one because they are making companies profit, they are making things also. Yes, sir. And also, I like to mention this is my childhood days. I see in my village also, but right now there is no trees. Everybody making buildings and construction something. They want to grow. That's why they are becoming they are making research in our country. And also, end of the day, I remember my childhood days with my friends like this. I also played, but I never get back to those days. But I love this. Good, Shasha. I liked your confidence. Good. You spoke so much because this is like communication class also, but try to keep things under control. Otherwise, people won't take you seriously. Fine. Good. Good job. Good. The more important thing is, try to speak. Okay. Yes. Next, who wanna come? Anyone from that side? One or two should come from that side also. Come on, you have to have confidence. I'm saying otherwise, by observing you, your body language, the hiring managers can find out whether you are the right fit for their company or not. Confidence has to be there. And this is how you build the confidence. Don't think whether you're doing right or wrong.